Today, we're testing out our knife skills with the blue folding pocket knife by Kexmo. It comes shipped to your door ready to cut through most tough situations with ease and precision. Inside the box, you'll find a blue pocket knife with a convenient belt clip attached. It's equipped with an ergonomic non-slip handle as well as a 2.99-inch blade and an overall length of 7.9 inches. It's also lightweight and features an anti-rust design. It can be opened by pushing the blade up by the stud and closed by moving the locking plate over to the left and folding the blade back down into place. It cuts through paper smoothly, and we were even able to break down the rest of our empty moving boxes with ease. The blade was also sharp enough to slice through cardboard, and even with the added pressure, it still stayed in place with the help of the locking plate, keeping our hands safe. I'd say our favorite things about it is the matte blue color and design, along with the durability. Per the drop test, it's proven to hold up pretty well. So whether you want to add to your collection or just need a spare knife lying around, this one might have you saying, "Dude, that's awesome." Until next time, we've got some packages to open. Later.